Hey there, YouTubers, welcome back. I got this 7268 all cleaned up, cleaned out that carb, went back together. It's not leaking any fuel. Gas is on. I have not tried to start it. This is going to be raw footage of what actually happens when I try to start it. I got my other one over here for moral support. Maybe we'll do a bonus cold start on that one. But I'm just going to do what I normally do on that one. Turn it on. I got it on light. I didn't adjust the needle in this carb. Let's see if it starts. Oh. That big cloud of smoke, I put some oil in the cylinder when I put the new spark plug in. I put a brand new spark plug in it. I also put a sharp blade on it. Nice and sharp. Yeah, there is a hole in the deck over there. If anybody has any ideas on how to fix that, let me know. Other than that, it's all back together and works. That was the first start ever. Wow. I'm impressed. It almost started on the first pull. Here, well, let's do the bonus cold start. I got a new grill for that flywheel. I don't know what it is about these old lawn boys, but these things are just cool. They sound cool. When I was in middle school back in the 99, 2000 era, I found one just like these on the side of the road for free, and it started right up. And I guess that's where it all started. So have a good day, YouTubers. I hope you enjoyed the little video. I got some grass to cut now. Take care.